Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Melanated Beauty. If you love home decor just as much as I do, then you should know that your bedding is a very important aspect of your home. And there is nothing more better than coming home to snuggle in warm, clean sheets, which is why I perfected my very own capsule bedding. Think of it as a capsule wardrobe, but with your bed. By creating a mix of high-end and affordable bed essentials, I'm now able to sleep like a queen and still save lots of money. I don't know about you, but I'm personally obsessed with the hotel styled bedding with the all white classic bed and the soft plush comforters and pillows. So I've tried to perfect that in my own way without spending a lot of money, because that stuff can be really expensive. So if you want to see how to perfect your very own capsule bedding, keep on watching. Your bed sheets can fall in the middle between affordable and high-end. I prefer to purchase on the more affordable side because, believe it or not, there are a lot of good quality sheets out there for a decent price. This particular set comes with one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Obviously, you can choose whatever bed sheet color you like, but I like to stay with the white classic sheets. It makes the room feel very light, airy, and fresh. Plus, you don't have to worry about colors fading whenever they get dirty. You can just pop them in the washer with a little bit of bleach and they're good as new. And if you'd like a bit more luxury, try purchasing the Egyptian cottons instead. I like to fold my flat sheet at the top and make sure to tuck it nice and taut underneath. This is the first step to adding layers to your bed. You're also going to want to neatly fold and tuck your corners of the bed as well. This will definitely give you the hotel look, although I did not do mine as neat as I should have. To me, the comforter is the staple to a capsule bedding because it's literally what you wrap yourself up in to stay cozy and warm and overall to feel good. The comforter duvet is where I like to invest a bit more money for a long-lasting, high-quality experience. I chose the ultra-weight down comforter from Casaluna. It's hypoallergenic and filled with 100% white duck down. I chose the ultra-weight because it has the most loftiest, cloud-like feel, and of course because it is the most luxurious choice. I purchased it in a size king, even though our bed is just a queen. I like to upsize my bedding sometimes for that extra hangover. I've recently fell in love with the Casaluna line at Target. I believe you really get what you pay for with their products. As you can see, they have many comforters to choose from. If you don't like the down, you can purchase their alternative comforters. They also have lightweight and midweight options to choose from. I personally prefer a duvet over a comforter because you can easily detach the cover, throw it in the washer, and not have to worry about ruining your entire comforter in the washer or paying an arm and a leg to get it dry cleaned. Your duvet cover should be equivalent to your insert. You want quality and comfort. This duvet cover is also from the Casaluna line collection. What's special about it is that it has a linen blend topside for a chic and sophisticated look, and the bottom side still has a 100% cotton sateen material for a smooth finish that feels amazing against the skin. Like most duvets, this duvet has corner and side tabs to secure the insert in place as well as a zipper closure. And of course, it is machine washable. Remember to pre-wash and dry your duvet cover prior to using it. This is a time where you can now personalize how you fold your duvet to display on your bed. A tri-fold at the bottom of the bed is the most common hotel style. This leaves your bed to air out and breathe more. Your second most hotel style fold is the mid-double fold, where you fold half of it in the middle of the bed, leaving one half exposed and the other half covered. And then you have your classic top fold, where you fold your duvet about a quarter down from the bed. As for my pillows, I like to do a bit of a mix with high-end versus affordable. And when I say high-end, I mean quality, not like name brand luxury, but quality. And that's why I purchased these feathered down blend pillow inserts. And for a bit more versatility, I like to also use the memory foam pillows with a more firmer material. That way I can kind of balance my sleep with the soft and the firm, and I can swap them out anytime, whether I want to lay on my back or my side. As for my pillow covers, I like to buy them cheap. You don't really have to spend loads of money for pillowcases, especially if some of them come right in the set sheet that you buy your sheets with, such as these, the ones from Amazon. They're 100% cotton, but I'm not going to be using them for right now. And also, this is the pillowcases that came with the duvet cover. These are more of a decorative option for me. It's not really something I'm gonna sleep on. I just don't wanna ruin the linen. And as for what I really use are these $5 satin pillowcases. You can find them anywhere on Amazon, Walmart, but I purchased mine from Five Below. And it's gentle on the skin, it's gentle on your hair, and I just think it's a very great alternative if you don't want to spend loads of money on your pillowcases, especially if you already kind of invested in your pillow insert. Now that your sleep pillows are in order, you now can play around with decorative pillows to add a pop of color and to really incorporate your personal style in your bed. And I love the minimal look, so I'll be using these neutral throw pillows. Once again, I like to use the feather-filled pillows so I can do the big chop in the middle for that high-end luxury look. And instead of buying these pillows brand new, I like to thrift the inserts at my local thrift store. Just make sure you spray them with disinfectant spray and replace the cover, and they should be good as new. And I'm also going to add this fluffy lumbar pillow just to add a bit more texture. And the final step is where you can add a little extra layer of warmth with a quilt or a throw blanket. I like to use my throw blanket as a way to incorporate more texture and possibly a pop of color. But again, I like my neutrals, so I got this light gray knit blanket from Casaluna. Some would say that you should add a quilt before adding your throw blanket. However, the throw blanket that I'm using is very large, very big, and very warm. So I'm gonna skip out on a quilt but they also have many of linen blend quilts on this line as well. So this is more of an actual bed blanket than a throw blanket because it is a full queen size blanket that hangs very low to the floor, but the bigger the better for me. I believe using bigger pieces on a queen size bed makes it look like a king and more spacious. So at first I thought the material of the knit would stick to the duvet, but there is absolutely no shedding or pilling whatsoever. Another thing that I love to do is to spray my linen in my room with good smelling sprays and nice smelling candles. This is the Clarity room spray from Casaluna. It is with grapefruit and ginger and it smells amazing. Even before I discovered these room sprays, I am obsessed with spraying my pillows and my comforter right before I get into bed. As you see here, I'm going in with this room spray. I have to be in a good smelling room at all times, at least when I'm home. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, as well as commenting down below and tell me about anything that you probably will definitely purchase for your own bed. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more videos like this one. And until next time, bye!